Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share, okay? Now we are going to discuss a coordinate related chapter, polar coordinate. The problem is find the nature of the conic one by r 2 minus 2 cos theta 1 by r 5 plus 4 cos theta 1 by r 4 plus 5 cos theta say. Okay, find the nature of the conic. As we know that the equation of the conic be either L by R 1 plus E cos theta or L by R 1 minus E cos theta. Comparing the equation this one with this one, after dividing by 2 we get 1 by 2 by r equals to 1 minus cos theta. Therefore, L equal to half and E equal to 1. L be the semi-latus rectum, length of semi-latus rectum. Semi-latus rectum. And E be the eccentricity. As eccentricity is 1, therefore it will represent a parabola. Therefore, nature of the conic in case of 1, it will be a parabola. And length of semi-latus rectum is half. Therefore, length of latus rectum 12 equal to length of latus rectum is 1 unit. Okay. In case of 2, we have to divide both sides by 5. 1 by 5 by r 1 plus 4 by 5 cos theta. Okay, comparing this one with plus model. Therefore, L equal to 1 by 5 and E equal to 4 by 5 less than 1. As eccentricity is less than 1, therefore it will represent an ellipse. Therefore, nature of the conic is ellipse. Similarly, length of latus rectum can be find out from this one. Okay. In case of 3, we have to divide the relation this one by 4. 1 by 4, 1 plus 5 by 4 cos theta. Similarly, comparing this one with this, we get E equal to 5 by 4 which is greater than 1. Therefore, it will represent a hyperbola. Hyperbola. Therefore, nature of the conic is hyperbola. This conic represent a hyperbola. Okay. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.